Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, peeps.
Good morning to you. This is Rachel and Diane Breaux coming to you from Prescott, Arizona.
She's the Prescott Pickle Lady.
I am, and we are some friendly, helpful realtor team here in town that are happy to help you and pass on all kinds of advice and words of wisdom.
That's right. So the wisdom today is about
Window film.
window film.
Now, this is something we just did.
Mm-hmm.
Our home is pretty close to another home. And when I stand at the kitchen sink, I'm so tired of looking at my neighbor's roof and the side of his house. It's just not a great view. The same thing in the dining area. So we've talked about it. What can we do? I've hung huge pieces of window stained glass.
Yeah.
And that's fine, but it's still not quite blocking that boring view. So then we thought, well, let's just replace the windows. And then I got the price because I thought I'll replace the windows with privacy glass. And then I was like, no, that's a lot of money. So
How
then
much was that? Do you remember?
it was like $2,000
$2,000
to replace two
Yeah,
windows.
Yeah.
So then somebody said, why don't you get window film? Now, I'm not a fan of tinting windows. Some people are. It's not for me because it makes the house too dark, in my opinion. Yes, it does protect your carpeting, your rugs, your furniture from getting sun damage, but I don't care about that. I just don't like my house to be dark. I like bright sunshine in there.
Well, these two windows in particular don't have direct sun shining
No.
right through either. So
But the other solution is, besides tinting, is to do window film.
window film.
And this film comes in all kinds of styles and
It's just
designs.
like there's like frosting.
Oh
and
yeah, I mean,
rain glass.
and it provides great privacy,
Yeah.
but still allows a lot of sunshine to come through. But then it also blocks any gross views. So I don't see the roof anymore. I just see kind of the cool pattern on my window.
Mm-hmm.
I think I did rain.
Yeah,
I think
we
I
did
did
rain.
rain.
We did the rain
And
glass.
it's
That's real
just enough.
popular right
It's
now,
real
rain glass,
popular,
yeah.
and it was much cheaper. I think it was $500 to do
$500.
two giant
windows.
windows.
So 1/4 the price. And really,
Yeah.
you can't tell.
You cannot tell at
Yeah, you
all.
can't tell if it's glass or it's film.
But it's really nice. So when people come in, they don't say, oh my God, your neighbor's right there. I see
Yeah.
his roof. It's nice. So we just wanted to pass this tip on because I think it's very helpful if you're kind of close to other neighbors and you want some privacy but still want sunshine. And investigate window film.
Window film.
There's all kinds of companies out there. They don't just do cars. They'll come and do your home.
Yes.
And so instead of replacing glass or replacing windows, which is way more expensive, you can just get the film.
Yeah.
So,
And if you decide, later on you don't like the rain glass anymore.
that's right.
And you want to do frost or whatever, you can remove the film and have new film put up.
There you go.
Yeah.
So we love it, and we were so excited, and we just had it done, and we can't say enough good things about it.
That's right.
So
Thought we'd share it with you.
Yeah, if you're looking for some privacy, don't want to see your neighbors, but don't want to cover up your windows,
That's the thing to do.
investigate window film.
Window film.
All kinds of designs that you can put up.
Yep,
So
absolutely.
highly recommended. It's a very inexpensive way. So
really
if I
gives it a very
Yes.
upscale,
Yes.
upscale feel.
so if I ever go to sell my home and somebody comes in, their chances are they will not notice that roof line right away.
Yes.
They'll just say it's good at blocking and
Yeah,
obscuring things.
if you look at how much you have to invest versus the perceived value of a buyer, one of the best investments you can make.
Absolutely. Cheers to that.
There you go.
So we're enjoying our window
Our
film.
window film. That is our
Okay.
tip of the day. If you like tips, you go to pickle411.com. That's our free information site. Whether you're a buyer, seller, or somewhere in between, there'll be something there waiting for you that will amaze, astound, educate, and entertain and inform.
Entertain. There you go.
Yeah,
All
the
those
dementia's
things.
kicking
Lots
in.
and lots of good things.
Can't remember my 4 words.
There you go.
And it's only $20. No, it's not.
It's free.
It's free.
It's from our heart to yours.
Our heart to yours.
Happy to share.
Happy to share.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Have a good day.